In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail notifications on Android. We all rely on timely notifications to keep track of our emails, so getting this set up right is crucial. First, let's begin by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. This is the foundation for managing your notifications. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. This ensures that the changes you make will apply to the right email account. Once you have Gmail open, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like three horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it. From here, you can access a range of Gmail settings and features. This is important because it's your gateway to personalizing your Gmail experience. After tapping the menu icon, a sidebar will slide into view. Scroll down and find the option labeled Settings. Tap on it. This section is where you can manage various settings for your app and accounts. Remember, in this area, you have the power to tailor Gmail to suit your needs. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Select the email account for which you want to fix the notifications. It's vital to choose the correct account if you have multiple accounts. This ensures the notifications will be set up correctly for that specific email address. Once the account is selected, you'll see a range of options related to that account. Here, find and tap on Notifications. This step is critical because it directly impacts whether you receive alerts for new emails. Having notifications turned on keeps you informed and responsive. When you tap on Notifications, you'll see several choices. Select All to ensure that you receive notifications for every email that arrives in your inbox. This is key to staying updated with all incoming messages. By choosing All, you're ensuring no email slips through the cracks. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Gmail notifications on Android. This makes sure your changes are saved, and you will now receive alerts for all your emails. It's a simple process, but one that makes a big difference in staying connected and informed. Remember, being proactive with these settings saves you time and ensures you never miss an important email. With that ready, you're all set to receive notifications promptly. Thank you for following along.